kirio gikoigora na gochakia kiombeke mo kiabene ase bali bonse menyete no balema kiombeke manyikande na Walemavu organization na elikobe kalio gina boigo mangana bagente elia mangana abanyale koigwekana aboigo ama naboigo na baru kwinyorwa chinka ki chigashikuru na boigo bagai chigasi akorwa iga sense ya Kenya yoiga no monya kirogo bwe kiombeke asireta Cosmas Otori.
Tene ni nkoro Cosmas Otori Julius itkoria rero woni go torenge ko bakirori ase okolonchi organization okolkonga Maendeleo ya Walemavu organization ayunde founder and CEO monya getinge tiangireri bagere watanga abaene abantu baminto Walemavu abantu Walemavu asinga kichinyinge twabere togo chayo asinga kichinyinge abantu babere bagotorigereria na maisa bogeka lakini ndio tokotanya sambia mwana sato ikire kogera taringa no gwancha gwaito ose ko bange kitore sato ikire sto ikire tukare sore tukare to ko bakiroli aso ko iboro kwa organization ko ko Maendeleo Walemavu organization kiagere to ka rokali Maendeleo organization Maendeleo Walemavu organization nesenge njechi nyinge chero kiro malieta makong awonto bale nkagaria yabera bakong sana ko manyanga nki organization yakora. For example, kero kolye maega se bane yega ntubwate totanga pillars ebi organization yakora igo egente kenena mono tokora advocacy na mono gotebanga abantu boboto bali mabwate obwena bwabo kwento koligererigwa na kuba mono tobwento ko bali bagali abo watebe ali bagwetera na ndabona ki tokonyara ko bakonya se ncherere abene ko enda bosio bono ntubwate representative mashinani kogera ese kera bone antero chugo kera kogera ntubwata abantu abanga boto barema na ese chinga kichinyinge babere bakonereriwa lakini bone senge joge Getembe no erege ga mwanya getinge ntoretare okoramo gasya moneno na ende botambika mu ndangeri I'm very much ready go chegere to kwane obone bw'abantu barema tiangereri bagere gotebya bagusiba mitese mwabeta ase bali muri gusi mbara munyo miro gusi mbara munyo miro isiko lakini yose bali bakwe munoyo kamora nche mozo ko ira bana bo barema buna abana babwate enga baragereirie so ki abana isiko bamanyakane egere bamanyakane obwene bwabo omanyakane n'enchire kibone to ko bwenigwa na ki kogenda bosio kogera bobwoto obwene bokomenya igo ogokura ngo bakorera ngore na ki abagusi baminto tigata ko bisabana basoki isiko bamanyakane babarwe bamanyamborure ke babwate egere bakonyaka kogenda bosio
wajaelewa kwamba kuna condition pia ina happen mtoto akiwa mdogo kabisa na hawezi kuielewa haraka. Asiwe mzazi ukienda tu hospitali ukiwa na mtoto anaweza kuelezea huyu mtoto akona condition fulani akiwa mdogo, ndio at least uanze kama ni mazoezi ama ni madawa akiwa mdogo.
Most of the biggest percent or the high percent of women are not equal. Both educationally, we are being denied the opportunity to get education. I remember back then when I lost my sight, and then I wanted to go back to school. My daddy told me, Kamene, do you know what? I cannot spend my money on you because you are a lady and you are disability. And I'm like, whoo. And you know, Betty can attest to that because she's a lecturer. And most of the time, she finds herself in a situation whereby men are the majority who have disability in the education sector, but ladies were not there. What happened? Where are we? Does it mean that we don't exist? We do exist, but we're back in the village, back in the houses, because people still believe that we are not capable of going to school and getting education, and they feel like they're wasting money on us.